that are being lashed out.
Junior secondary school intern teachers in Embu County have downed their tools over delayed confirmation to permanent and pensionable terms. Tens of irate JSS intern teachers held protests in Embu town on Monday, where they vowed not to go back to class until their cry for conversion to permanent terms is heard and acted upon. While waving placards and singing solidarity songs, the teachers lamented the harsh conditions they've been working under, with meager earnings not commensurate with their training and workload. Kupet Embu branch pledged to stand with the teachers in agitating for their rights to safeguard their welfare, professional dignity and working conditions.
Internship should not be turned into slavery. Exactly. We cannot work as slaves in our own country. And therefore, we are giving a warning that should this continue, then na sisi hatutachoka, tutaendelea kuwa kwa parapara throughout until our right is looked at and we are confirmed.
The issue of autonomy, we know that we have been raising it for some time now, and it is time it is given without any further delay. That is our request. That is what we are demanding today.
Kuna wale wameingia Januari ambako tulikuwa na matumaini ya kuwa tutaajiriwa zote pamoja, lakini koti imeenda kinyume na kile ilikuwa imetanja hapo mbeleni. Tunaomba serikali iingilie.
We are not on these streets because we don't want to be in school teaching. We are here because we are suffering. We are at the edge. By the time we are being paid, that money is already out of the pockets. We have debts everywhere. Teachers are being treated with contempt simply because we are not being paid rightfully.
Muslim clerics from the northeastern and Tana River